Okay, here we go. Another car. It's a 1988 Mustang LX 5-liter 5-speed. Factory 5-liter 5-speed. And of course, as you can see, it is the coupe. It's had 5-lug conversion done. 355 gears. Of course, posi. Motor was rebuilt. Runs and drives really well. Trans doesn't make any noise. Shifts as it should. ARE wheels. Cowl hood. Tinted headlights, but they look horrible. I'll have to change those. They work though. This car I bought locally from a friend. It was his father's car. They owned the car since the late 90s. And now I got it. Take a look at the inside. Red interior. Power windows. Seats have been recovered. That's just sunlight on there. It's not worn out. You can see on the other one. Front and back been recovered. Headliner's nice. Up in here, all your factory gauges. Boost gauge, air fuel gauge, aftermarket radio, aftermarket shifter knob. Let's see how she runs. It fires right up. All your factory gauges are working. The fuel gauge works. I just filled it up. That's why it's pegged. Horn works. Blinker that way. Blinker that way. Everything's working. It's got AC. It's currently not working. Everything's there. He said when he took out the motor, he never recharged it when he rebuilt the motor, so I'm hoping it just needs a recharge. The dash is in nice shape. It's not cracked. Newer radio with Bluetooth. That's what's beeping. The map light doesn't work, but it's there. A little peeled. Cool car. I mean, I took it out and everybody seemed to love it. Everybody loves the coupe. Let's see if we can get the hood open one-handed here. I already pulled this thing. All right. Previous owner painted the intake white to match the body. There's your aftermarket throttle body. It's really dirty under here. This car has been sitting for a bunch of years. There's the headers. Without being used. So I really may even have this professionally cleaned under here, make it look nice. But it does run really well, so. That's it. This car will be offered for sale at some point. This is where are we now? May 31st, 2023. I wanted to do a few things first before I sell it, but if anybody's interested, comment down below. If there's something you see that I don't see, I'm not a Ford guy. Although I do like a Fox body. If anybody's interested, also comment. Let me know. And I'll get back to you. All right. Have a good day.